Fire got several vehicles off Washington Boulevard, motorists in tears. Blacks held after cops find gun in ceiling of house. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Several motorists who had taken their vehicle to a mechanic to be repaired were left counting their losses after a fire destroyed a garage on Davison Avenue off Washington Boulevard in St. Andrew on Friday. Reports are that mechanics were working at the facility when smoke was seen coming from a section of the facility. An alarm was raised and firefighters were alerted to the blaze at the location. Reports are that at least 3 buses were destroyed despite the efforts of the emergency workers. The incident left one motorist, the owner of a bus, in tears as he reflected on his losses. Gunmen continue to find creative ways to conceal firearms as cops on a joint police-military operation discovered a firearm in the ceiling at a premises in the corporate area. A 26-year-old man, Adenell Anderson, has been charged with illegal possession of a firearm. Reports are that the lawmen on a joint police-military operation in Kingston 11 searched and a Smith & Wesson .38 revolver was found in a section of the ceiling. The occupant of the Duane Road premises, Anderson, otherwise known as Blacks, ran from the location upon seeing the security forces. He was later held and charged.